Student, today we are going to see NCERT example problem number. It is 7.6. It's from AC circuit. It's for class 12. Okay. If you like my channel, please subscribe. See, first we will see what is a given data. Okay. The resistance is given 200 ohms. Capacitance is given 50 microfarad. Okay. Voltage is given 220 volt. Totally, mostly 220 volt will be root mean square value. You can fix it in your mind. The frequency is given as a 50 hertz. Okay. Then the solution, the question is asked, okay, what is the total current is flowing in a circuit, okay. The first question, it's what is the total current, okay, which is the unit will be ampere. Second one, what is the voltage? What is the voltage? It's going to be voltage in resistance is question mark, and voltage in capacitance is question mark, and what is the net voltage. Okay, these are the question they asked. Okay, it's a voltage in resistance and voltage in capacitance. What about inductance? Because they are not given anything inductance, it is purely it's going to be R and C circuit, R and C circuit. Okay, RC circuit. Okay, if you want to know this problem, you need to know definitely what is the concept behind the RC circuit. Okay, but now I am not going to do with the concept of RC circuit. Directly I am going to the problem. Okay, for RC circuit we need to know this diagram. It is phi. Okay, and this side is XC. XC is the impedance. It is the inductive capacitance. It's going to be R. If you want what is the total resistance, is going to be R square plus XC whole square. Okay, if you know this impedance triangle, easily you can solve this solution. Okay, I know what is voltage. Now I want what is the resistance. Total resistance is going to be root of R square plus XC whole square. Like that we can take it. Okay, now what is R square? R is given in the problem. It's going to be 200. R is going to be 200. But XC is not given. XC is going to be 1 divided by omega C. Otherwise 1 divided by 2 pi FC. Whatever you want, you can take it. Okay. We know omega is equal to 2 pi F. Okay. Now it's going to be root of 200 whole square plus XC. Don't take it that 15 microfarad as FC. It is going to be C. Okay, it's not a FC, XC. Okay, XC, the unit of XC will be ohms. Okay, the unit of XC will be ohms. The resistance of the capacitance, inductive capacitance. Okay, 1 divided by 2 pi FC. 1 divided by 2 pi FC. 2 into 3.14 into frequency. Frequency is given in the question 50 hertz. Okay, and XC is going to be 15 into 10 power minus 6. Why minus 6 I included here? Because it's given as a microfarad, 15 microfarad. So going to be 15 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Okay. When we are doing this solution, we'll get root of 200 square plus 212 whole square. This answer is going to be 291.5 ohms. Total resistance, impedance is going to be 291.5 ohms. This is a total resistance. Okay, the next one. Next we are going to do is, we found what is the resistance. Okay, then I am going to use the Ohm's law. I is equal to V by R. Now we are not able to write as R, we can write only, it is the Z. It's called total resistance in this circuit. Okay, so we know voltage is going to be 220 volt. And total resistance we found 291.5 ohms. Okay, now we can get what is the current flowing in the circuit. It's going to be less than 1. Okay, because numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, so we can get 0.755 ampere. So finally I got what is the current flowing in the circuit. Okay, now I am going to find what is the resistance. So we found what is the current. Okay, it's going to be 0.755 ampere. Okay, now we have to find what is the voltage in resistance, voltage in capacitance. Okay, the second part of the question. So VR is equal to IR. Okay, so I know it's 0.755. R it's given in the question is going to be 200. The answer will get, it's approximately 151 volt. Okay, the voltage in a resistance. Okay, because resistance voltage and capacitance voltage, it's going to be VR and it's going to be VC. Okay, if you want what is the capacitance voltage, I is equal to XC. I is equal to XC. So I is the current, X is the inductive reactance. Okay, VC is equal to I times 0.755 into XC. XC value is going to be 212.3 because already we found in a circuit. Okay, it is XC is equal to 1 divided by omega c. Used this formula we found. Okay, it's 212.3 ohms. Okay, so this together will get voltage in a capacitance, 160.3 volt. Okay, now if you want what is a net voltage, is going to be root of 151 whole square plus 160.3 whole square. Okay, this is a net voltage. The answer already we know, it's going to be 220 volt. You can cross check your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe.